In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set auto reply in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll have professional, always-on responses set up for Messenger and Instagram, so customers get timely replies even when you're busy. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. In the results, look for the official Meta or Facebook business link. You want the one that takes you to Meta's business tools, not a third-party site. Click that to open the dashboard. Next, log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that manages your Facebook page or Instagram professional account so you can access messaging tools. If you have multiple pages, confirm you're in the right one after logging in. Once you're in, go to the left-hand menu and click Inbox. It's the speech bubble icon. This is where all your customer messages from Facebook and Instagram are organized in one place, which makes it the ideal spot to set up automation. At the top right of the inbox pane, click the Automations icon. Depending on your layout, it may look like a sparkly star icon or be labeled Automations. This opens a panel where you can create and manage message rules. Now, choose the type of automated reply you need. Instant reply sends a message the very first time someone contacts you. It's perfect for acknowledging new conversations right away. Keep this message warm and helpful, and let people know when they can expect a real person to follow up. Away message sends a custom response when your status is set to away, such as outside your business hours. Use this to set expectations clearly. Mention typical response times and offer an alternative, like visiting your website or checking your FAQs so customers aren't left hanging. Frequently asked questions lets you present tappable questions, like "What are your hours?" that return immediate pre-written answers. This reduces repetitive typing and gives customers quick clarity. Keep answers concise and make sure they match your current policies. After selecting a template, choose where it applies: Messenger, Instagram, or both. Then type your message in the response box. You can tailor wording for each platform's tone if you prefer. Use the personalize icon to insert details like the sender's first name automatically. Personalization helps your automated messages feel more human and welcoming. Just use it naturally and avoid adding sensitive information. When you're happy with the content, click Save Changes at the bottom. Your automation will activate according to the template you chose, giving customers fast, consistent replies while you stay focused on the rest of your work.